7 habits that turn your 20s into $1 million decade. If you are in your 20s right now, you are sitting on something worth $1 million. But here's the scary part. Most people waste it. And by the time they turn 30, it's gone forever. Today, I'll show you the 7 habits that can turn your 20s into $1 million decade. And habit number 4, it can change your entire future. Let's go. When people think about becoming rich, they think winning the lottery, becoming famous, starting a big company. But that's not how most millionaires are made. They are made by habits, small habits, daily habits, boring habits. But boring habits make big money. Ready? Habit number 1, invest in yourself first. Imagine 2 people. Person A buys new shoes, new phone, expensive dinners. Person B buys books, skills, courses, tools. 10 years later, person A has memories. Person B has money. Your 20s are for learning, not flexing. When you learn sales, writing, coding, marketing, communication, editing, you become more valuable. And when you become valuable, you get paid more. Simple rule: before buying something cool, ask, will this make me smarter or richer? If yes, then buy it. If no implies, wait. Habit number 2, live below your means. This one sounds boring, but it's powerful. If you earn $1,000 and spend $1,000, you are broke. If you earn $1,000 and spend $600, you are building power. Rich people don't try to look rich. They build quiet wealth. Don't upgrade your life every time you earn more. Upgrade your investments instead. Secret rule: the gap between what you earn and what you spend equals your freedom. Habit number 3, start investing. Early time is magic. If you invest $100 at 20, it can grow for 40 years. If you wait until 30, you lose 10 years of growth. That's huge. This is called compound growth. It means your money makes money. Then that money makes more money. It's like planting a tree. Plant early arrow, big tree. Plant late arrow, small tree. Even small money matters. Start small. Start messy. Just start. Habit number 4, build multiple income streams. This one changes everything. Most people have one income. That's dangerous. If it stops, everything stops. Millionaires build a job, a side hustle, investments, online income, digital products. You don't need 5 at once. Start with 1 extra. Maybe freelancing, selling online, YouTube, digital skills. Tutoring. 1 extra income stream can change your future. Never depend on only one door. Even small money matters. Start small, start messy. Just start. Habit number 5, say no to easy fun. Your 20s are full of temptations. Party every weekend, travel every month, buy everything now, sleep late, waste time online. Fun is okay, but too much fun is expensive. Every yes to distraction is a no to your future. The most powerful word in your 20s is no. No to wasting time. No to toxic friends. No to bad habits. Short-term sacrifice. Long-term freedom. Habit number 6, choose your friends carefully. You become like the people around you. If your friends complain, spend money fast, avoid growth, you will too. If your friends read build, invest dream, big, you will too. Energy spreads. Find people who talk about goals, push you, challenge you, even online counts. Your circle shapes your ceiling. Habit number 7, think long term. Most people think, how can I feel good today? Wealthy people think, how can I win in 10 years? Every decision, ask yourself, will this help my 30-year-old self? If yes, then do it. If no implies skip it. Delayed gratification is the superpower of the rich. Plant seeds, wait, water them, be patient. Money rewards patience. Finally, your 20s are not for showing off. They are for building. You don't need to be perfect. You don't need to be famous. You just need habits. Small daily habits turn into big results. And here's the truth. You don't need to earn $1 million in your 20s. You need to build the system that creates it. If you watched until here, comment the secret word, decade, because you are serious about your future. And remember, your 20s are not just years. They are your foundation. Build wisely.